Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing these brows. I think I let them grow out for about almost a month so I can do this video. We're using Pro Concealer, eraser, tweezers, a spoolie, and scissors. Brow gel. So first we're just going to brush them up so we can get the small hairs underneath. I'm going to go in with the tweezers and I'm going to pull the skin tight with my finger. And I'm just getting those sparse hairs underneath the bulk of the hair. So my left brow is a little thinner on the end than my right brow. So that will be my left, you guys is right. And then we're just going to tweeze all of that until we get it cleared up. I kept wiping my eye because it makes the eyes watery when you pull the hair. And we're going to jump to the second side. And we're going to do the same over there. Brush it up. So the small bottle earlier, that was actually, what is that called? Beijing. In the number 59. You guys, please don't mind my hair. I actually blew dry it on Wednesday because I'm prepping it for Saturday. I just washed and deep conditioned it. So I'm going in with my scissors and the spoolie. I'm using the spoolie to pull the hairs up as I guide the scissors along the hairs that I want to cut. You guys, let me know in the comment box below if you guys like these cute blue nails. I did them short this time because I got to braid my hair for Saturday. So when I use the scissors and the spoolie, I'm just getting the hairs that are longer and the ones that curl up at the ends. Make sure you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And this is my detailed brow tutorial. I'm not a professional, but this is how I like to do it. So if you guys like this video, let me know in the comments, and let me know in the comment box below if you guys are going to try this technique. Now I'm pulling the skin and I'm going in with the eyebrow razor. And this right here just ensures a clean, what do you call it? A clean area for the little hairs that are on top that I can't pluck or I can't cut with the scissors. So this is just giving it a sharper look for the shape that I want. And I don't shave it too thin because I don't like thin brows. I prefer them thicker. And my left brow is always thinner than my right because when I was younger, I used to overpluck. So now underneath, my hair really doesn't grow back as full on the left side. So I'm going back in with the scissors just to make sure I get all the little strays. Now I'm going to jump over to that left side. So I've actually been doing my brows this way, I want to say since the 9th grade, I believe. So it's definitely been a while. Now with the coloring, with the Beijing, I've been doing that the past year and a half. So that is new. And I only do that so I don't have to use a brow pencil, especially if I run out of brow color. I will use a brow pencil if I'm doing a makeup look or if I'm just running out the house or something. But when I do my detailed brows, I do add the Beijing. And the Beijing lasts for about a good 2 weeks or until I get ready to redo it. So it's been a while since I've done a voiceover, so I hope you guys can understand how I'm trying to explain this video. So now I'm going to go in with the Beijing. I just mix a little bit of that with some water, and I use a brow brush to put it on there. Then I take a Q-tip and I just kind of rub it in so it gets the hairs that I didn't get with the brush. And we're going to wait for about 5 minutes for that to sit. We're going to rinse it off. And once we have rinsed it off, we're going to take Q-tips with some astringent, go over it just to get the residue of the Beijing. Because sometimes there's residue left on the skin that I can just clean up a little bit. But I do love the Beijing because I don't, like I said, I don't have to use a brow pencil. And I'm just scrubbing the hairs the opposite way just to make sure I get all that dye off. I'm going in with my brow glue. And this just brushes it up into place on where I want it to stay. So if you guys can tell, at the front of the brow, you guys can see how dark it is without me using a brow pencil. And most of the time I can kind of get it to where it's lighter in the front as it gradually darkens the rest of the brow. Almost kind of like a natural coloring. And I'm just going back in the tweezers again just to get those stray hairs on the back. Going in with my Pro Concealer. And with this is just underlining that brow just in case I left some of that dye on there. It can kind of make the brow pop a little bit more, just in case I did leave some on there. And I just worked it in on the top as well. And I also go in with a Q-tip to blend that out more. Oh my God, guys, my eyes look so bugged out. But I did just wake up, so they do look a little puffy. But that's all right, because I'm still cute. And these brows are still popping. Now I'm going to go in with my Mineral Touch by Younique. And I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the Pro Concealer, just to underline that and make that brow pop a little bit more. So I'm not going to put on any makeup today, just some mascara and do these brows, because I wanted you guys to see the actual full effect of the brows instead of me doing a full face. So I just wanted you guys to concentrate on the brow area. So I'm just brushing that in with that Q-tip. And I actually kind of shocked myself this time, because I did get them fairly even, considering that my left side is thinner than my right side on that back tail end. You guys excuse the sound in the background. You might hear a little wind because I'm doing this voiceover in my car. I'm just kind of smudging it in with my finger. Still looks a little bit pale, but that's okay. I just wanted the brow to pop. Yes, my hair is crazy. Like I said, I just wanted to blow dry it on Wednesday to prep my hair for Saturday. So don't worry about the hair. But yes, those brows did come out nice. So if you guys want to try this tutorial, let me know in the comment box below. Bye guys, see you in the next one.